Hey, so before I send this back to AT&T, this phone is the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it did have insurance on it and everything, which is worth it on a phone like this. This is 2 years of use, and the thing is just jacked up. I am usually an early adopter of new technology. I did wait until the 3 though in order to get a foldable phone. And this is what happens with normal use. Like, I am a heavy user. I use my phone all day. I normally, kind of drain the battery a bit, but yeah, I opened the phone one day and this is what happened. Like, check that out. That's awful. The inner screen is unusable. It doesn't, however, affect the functioning of this part of the phone. I mean, I can do whatever I need to do with it as long as I keep it closed, but that's ridiculous after 2 years. And they do claim that there are so many actuations of that but there's no way I met that. Come on, that's ridiculous. So yeah, this phone is going back to AT&T just because of the insurance. So uh, if you get a phone like this, any kind of foldable phone, yeah, I would definitely get some insurance on it. I was able to now get the Z Fold 5, so I'm not afraid of buying a foldable phone now just because that happened. But yeah, just I was not aware that that would happen so soon. So I wanted to put this video out there, you know, PSA type issue here. Let you know that that is something that can happen pretty soon in the lifetime of the phone. So yeah, because I had another year with this phone, not the contract, I forget what you call it, but on the installment agreement, I had another year on that. So just don't get stuck. Get that insurance, or either do that upgrade every year on a foldable phone. I mean, I can't vouch for how other people's phones are holding up, but like I said, this is normal use, and I didn't do anything jacked up to the phone to cause it to do that. I believe it's the screen protector for the main screen that pulled away from the phone when I opened it. So, yeah. Get it together, Samsung.